What else? Who else?
I actually don't remember. A mosasaurus.
Raising the hand.
Little scorpions, a mosasaurus, a narwhal, a magical wall, a baby seal.
The octopus put the pearl back and all the walls fell down. And then
Louder, please. The tree is not listening.
there are some parts missing!
Okay, which parts are missing?
Like when the narwhal gets sick from the baby seal because the walls go up and then...
Okay, let's go back to that part. You can pass the sack or give a ray to
Actually,
Aiden.
so then what happened with the scorpions?
What happened with
They
the scorpion?
rised from the sand. Not like they could dig in sand. They had a little city under there when they heard the wall go up, so they rise to singing. Like, it's a part of the defenses.
It's called New Scorp.
So it's my turn? No!
Okay, so when the seal got to its mom, well, first of all, before that, when the seal needed the pearl so then, because the pearl was technically like a call to the mosasaurus. The ending is like a friend and family reunition party.